In this video, I will show you how to create pie chart with label in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word. Insert chart. Here select pie. You can select any style. Then click on OK. So you will get this chart, and here you can change the data. Once you make any changes here, it will reflect in your chart. And once you're done, exit. To show the percentage, double click on it and click here, add chart element, data labels. Now click on this plus icon, hover cursor to data labels, more options, and here select percentage, unselect value. In the number, select percentage. You can set decimal 1 or 2. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can create pie chart with percentage. Thanks for watching.